Alert, alert! This is the grinder. This is the most dangerous electric device I have in my collection of tools. Extremely dangerous because, first of all, with the high speed of this wheel, there is an effect of gravity which makes that the grinder will be willing to move, so you have to really hold it very tightly. Secondly, because this part here is extremely dangerous, you can cut a finger in a second with it. So this is why this is one of the unique tools where I'm really always using full protection. The mask is more for avoiding that the pieces of things I'm grinding are just falling away with high speed. So this is for the protection of my skin. Then the most important are the protection glasses. The eyes, it's very difficult to repair, so really you have to protect your eyes. It's super important. Okay. Maybe I will use this one, but this is a bit exaggerated, but it's just because it's cold today. And then of course I will use my gloves. Gloves for which I have good feeling inside. But I can sense exactly where I'm holding the machine, so you have to hold it very tight. So it's a rather simple tool, very dangerous. One button for on and off, and this holding this handle. You can use the grinder for cutting essentially iron, but you can also use it for cutting stones. You have different sizes. This size I like because it's big enough for doing the most things I need to do. You see, this here is the depth in which it can go.